Okay, hello everyone. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a local user on Windows Server Datacenter 2025, even if we are in 2026 now, but I will show you how to create a local user in the Windows Server Datacenter. So first thing first, let me show you my detail of my PC. This is HP Elite Desk 800 G4 SSF, but I decided to turn it into Windows Server Data Center, and I installed 40 GB of RAM, and it has NVMe SSD 512s, and then the OS installed is Windows Server Data Center Edition, which is fully activated. So let's get started without wasting your time. So in order to create there are two ways to create a local user. The first way by using the CMD PowerShell, and the second way is using GUI. So we will start with the first way, which is this one, the using PowerShell. So let me fire up my PowerShell as administrator, and then I'm gonna type this command as you can see here. So let's find PowerShell. Here is PowerShell, and then one is administrators. So on Windows terminal we can create the font like this. On Linux terminal you can create the font by press Ctrl Shift plus plus, but here on Windows I don't know how. I will deal with it later. So this is the code. This is a code. It's a new local username, server world. This is the name of the local user that we want to create. So the full name, something like that. So we're gonna type new hyphen local user hyphen name. Our username is gonna be, we're gonna call it as homelab. This is our username, and then we're gonna separate with this kind of apostrophe, something like that, and then we're gonna put, if you want you can press enter. It's gonna be error, but you have to continue like this. How about shift enter? Yeah. And then the reason is gonna be full name. For the full names we're gonna call it as home lab 24. This is the full name, and we're gonna separate with this kind of thing, and then for the description, description is going to be what can we call for the description? We have to call this the administrator of this computer. Okay, we're gonna say administrator of this home lab, and then put this and then enter, and then we're going to put the password. We're gonna password convert to secure as a plain text password, force the account never expire. Okay, on the we're gonna say password into bracket. We're gonna say convert it to secure string, convert it to hyphen secure string, hyphen is plain Here's a plain text, and then we're gonna put the password here. We're gonna say that's demo 2025. This is the password for our homelab user, and then we're gonna force it to never expire. After that, password never expire. Password never expires. And then we're gonna say account never expire. Accounting never expire. Accounting never expire. We get an error, new local user. Okay, no problem. I will copy all the way from this code. So I'm gonna copy this new home lab. Okay, I'm gonna copy this new home lab. Maybe let me copy new home lab, and I'm gonna copy the full name. This is going to be the full name. I'm going to copy the description. I'm going to copy the password never expire. I'm going to copy this one, and then the account never expire. And then press enter. You see, so the user is now created. So username is now created. If you come to the server manager and manage server manager, local user, local server, computer name,